What are you doing? What is it, B2? We are changing rotors. We took that dump off to that. It's a rear STI sway bar. We have the front one, but I don't think that one fits. Well, I'm not doing that one right now, but the main thing that I was gonna do is upgrade the clutch line to a steel braided clutch line. But all of this came in the mail today, yesterday, and I purchased a few other things, so we had to do this today. We still got a few more things to go. Check it out. So yeah, so I am changing the rear disc rotors. This is what this looks like. The other side was way worse, promise. Trust me on that one. And so I bought mine from eBay, honestly. Well, I bought the front set from eBay. My wife bought the back set from eBay as well. And see what they look like. Real. So we're gonna go to theatrical, huh? Sway bar from the Forester, or from the STI to the Forester, you cannot use the Forester bushings. They don't fit, and if you're on a budget and you are in a rush, you have to use the Forester bushings with the bracket, or else you have to have everything from the STI, which would be the bushing and the bracket. Other than that, it wouldn't fit. So, and also you can't use these ones unless you have the lateral links from an STI, which I don't. So I have a bunch of those left right there. So see, I have the STI sway bar in the back. Bought it for real cheap. Now, honestly, I need to upgrade my end links. They are crappy. And see, this is what I mean. So you need the Forester bushing and the Forester whatever the hell that's called right now. I can't think of it. I just said it right now not too long ago. But yeah, it all fits. It's all OEM. For OEM is a great upgrade. Alright guys, so I'm here doing what I was actually supposed to do. Is I'm changing out the steel braided clutch line from the original nasty rubber line. I'm changing this because it always, when it gets too hot, the actual clutch pedal seems to push all the way in, and there's like sometimes it like engages in that much, and that's all it is. I don't like that. It's typically due to it being so hot in there in the engine, so the clutch line expands, as well as when you have steel braided clutch brake line. So it's about the same thing. This is from Phase 2 Motorsports. Actual part, I'm not 100% sure because I ripped it off, but I will have it on the screen right now and down below in the description if you want to purchase that. No, I'm not just saying that so I can make some money, because I don't make nothing off of eBay. So no, this is for you guys. I want to appreciate you guys. I've done a few things at the moment, so this is what I was actually supposed to do right now, and I got a little sidetracked. So I'm going to show you everything that you need at the moment to do this, okay? So I'm going to put this on the side and then we'll begin. Alright, so if you want the easy way out, so those right there are two 10 mils. So I got the tool right there, and then you got to get your flathead screwdriver to take the clamp off, and then that's pretty much it to remove everything. And so you can get in there, because you're gonna have to get down there. You see where that line is right here? There's a little line. See that line? That's the one that we're gonna have to remove. To make life a lot easier, we're gonna get .3 brake fluid, because you're gonna have to put some more fluid into that to air the clutch line out. And me, I'm gonna flush it out. And you see how dark that is? It's not supposed to be that dark. And this right here is your lifesaver. This makes it a whole lot easier for bleeding brakes and bleeding everything. Your bleed gun, this helps 1000%, makes your life way easier than what it should be. And make sure you guys get one of those if you are in the bleeding business. You definitely need one of these. I promise you that this is really helpful. So I'm gonna get going. Next time you guys see me, I will have everything taken off, and then we're gonna be in there like swimwear. All right, so I have the whole intake off to make life a lot easier. You also have to move this bracket that's right here, because down there goes the line, and so you have to remove this clip right here. I don't know if you can see that, and then I believe that's a 12mm nut, and you have to use one of these open hex wrenches. And but life is about to be really difficult right now, so I'm gonna get going, because then I'm just not gonna continue it and I'm just gonna get mad. And then right here is a 14mm bolt. That's where your clutch line engages, or with the this right here. I don't know what it's called right now. I gotta kind of hurry up right now because I'm really hungry and I'm getting really tired. So I'll be right back, and I'm gonna have it taken off, and I'm gonna put the line on, and I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Okay, got the line out. Yes, it was a pain in the ass. The little bolt that, or nut that goes in that, is a 10mm. So just get just a wrench, regular wrench. You don't have to get the half open or whatever the hell that's called. Just crack it loose, helps pull the clip out. You gotta get really lucky. Honestly, I got lucky first try, but it's out. Now I have to go in reverse. So we'll be right back, and then I'll show you the bleeding process. But right now, I'm gonna install it, and then I'll show you the bleeding process when I'm done. All right, so I'll be right back. All right, so I got my gun connected. It goes through that. It's gonna come out through there. It's gonna be a 8 to crack that open. Let me get you guys set up right here. All right. So now I got crack it open. Almost lost you guys there. Crack that open. And then you always got to make sure there's something in here, and it is actually almost gone. Sheesh. Alright, a lot of it spilled out. Didn't think anything spilled out. Parents are going to be mad at me now. Let's put some in here, some freshly squeezed. Shit looks gross. And then we start pumping. Just make sure that thing is like this. It's on there. Create suction. And I need to actually be down below more. And there we go. That is it. That's enough to run through the lines, and we're Gucci. So thank you guys for watching. I'm finishing up here so I can go eat because I'm starving, and it's very simple like that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed everything I did today. Hope to catch you all guys on the next one. Next video hopefully is the big brick kit, and we're gonna get that going for sure though. So peace out. Like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know what you guys think I'm doing with the Forester, if it's alright or if it's meh. Let me know. Okay? Peace.